Italy is a totally unique, wonderfully diversified, and magically beautiful place where you can find beauty just about anywhere. It is renowned for its great food, rich historical monuments, esteemed art, stunning tiny villages, and equally lovely cities, countrysides, and coasts. Italy is definitely filled with so many outstanding places to see and experience. That said, sit back, grab your popcorn and keep watching to find out our top 10 places to visit in Italy for an amazing experience. Number 10, Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre's wild, primitive, yet spectacular beauty appears to sum up exactly why Italy is so highly regarded as a tourism destination. This famous region is not only one of the most picturesque areas in Italy but also one of the most photographed. It consists of pastel-colored buildings, little harbors, and stunning seascapes. The collection of 5 vibrantly colored medieval towns are one of the most alluring locations to visit in Italy. They are found on the gorgeous Italian Riviera coastline, clinging to the unforgiving coastal cliffs in an almost impossible way. It is such a significant location that in 1997, UNESCO designated it as a World Heritage Site. You can wander the historic vines that cling to the steep slopes, then stop for a pesto pasta lunch, a regional specialty, at one of the neighborhood trattorias. It's unquestionably somewhere you should include on your list of Italian vacation stops. Typically, many tourists spend a few days in Cinque Terre to relax and unwind after exhausting days of exploring bustling Rome or art-filled Florence. Number 9, Venice. This is a city that captures your heart at first sight and doesn't let you down, with everything from majestic palazzi and huge squares to its famous lagoon and intriguing islands. Who wouldn't fall in love with a city where the roads are made of water, the buses are boats, and the gondoliers' lilting songs fill the air? It is absolutely magical, and the city itself is what draws most visitors. The lofty campanile towers over both the enormous Basilica of St. Mark and the Doge's Palace. You can also try one of the most romantic activities in Italy, and that is a gondola trip. In Venice, where a picture postcard vista is around every turn, getting lost is one of the greatest pleasures. Number 8, Naples. Naples, the third largest city in Italy, offers a wealth of sights, activities, and experiences, including majestic palaces opulently decorated with the riches of European royalty and architecture, churches brimming with priceless artifacts, and a world-class archaeological museum showcasing artifacts from the adjacent city of Pompeii and culinary delights. You will be rewarded with genuinely breathtaking views if you decide to physically seek out higher ground in locations like Certosa and Museo di San Martino. You can begin to discover some of the magic that this port city holds by strolling down via Caracciolo and Lungomare di Napoli or engaging in conversation with the welcoming residents. Not to mention the transcendence that comes with that first slice of Neapolitan pizza, made in the city where the pizza is said to have been invented, or that exquisite sip of espresso is priceless. Similar to how Venice is defined by its canals and Florence is defined by the Renaissance, Naples will enthrall you with its sheer exuberance. It's a lively place, with crowded, noisy streets bursting with color and activity, so be sure to soak in the atmosphere while you're there. Number 7, Milan. Milan is a must-visit for anybody interested in design and fashion, not to mention shopping, as it offers one of the biggest concentrations of artistic and architectural attractions in the entire of Italy. Milan is known for its traditional Italian cuisines like risotto, minestrone, and polenta, and is actually quite the gastronomic metropolis. Along with stunning architecture, such as the Duomo di Milano, fantastic art galleries, magnificent stores, operas, and restaurants, Milan is also home to one of the most famous Renaissance paintings in history, Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Number 6, Verona. Verona is a romantic city, so if you go with a companion, you never know, they might just pop the question. Verona's strongest claim to tourist popularity is founded entirely on fiction, despite its extensive collection of architectural and artistic treasures. Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet was set in Verona, and over the past century, the city's residents have built residences, Juliet's balcony, and even a tomb for the imaginary couple. Due to its urban design and architecture, which includes Roman ruins and historic castles, UNESCO designated the city as a World Heritage Site. The medieval and Renaissance structures in Verona, including several Roman arches, demonstrate the city's lengthy involvement with the Venetian Empire. If you do come to this city, remember that seeing an opera in Verona is an absolute must. Number 5. Sardinia. This mysterious Mediterranean island, which contrasts sharply with Italy, seems to exist in a different world. Sardinia is known for its distinctive blend of ancient culture and breathtaking coastal views. You will find mile after mile of white, sandy beaches around the entire south, while the untamed interior makes for excellent hiking and climbing terrain. The jet-set haven of luxury enclaves along the northeast coast's Costa Smeralda is Sardinia's most famous feature, but the island has much more to offer the adventurous traveler or even the beach-loving sunbather. In addition to relaxing on white beaches or wading into turquoise waters, you can enjoy a dive in the adjacent bays among the vibrant fish. You can also visit the traditional villages in inland Sardinia and watch shepherds tending to their sheep. You may think that Sardinia is just known for its opulent hotels and restaurantes and picture-perfect beaches after driving down the island's northern emerald coast, but you'd be surprised. Additionally, it has modest farms, mountains covered with forest, and very welcoming residents. Number 4. Capri. Did you know that the Roman emperors Augustus and Tiberius used Capri as a hideout? Now, it draws a continuous stream of visitors who go there on the daily ferries. Due to its stunning surroundings, its combination of historical sites, charming villages, and beaches, this small island in southern Italy has drawn many notable people over the years, including emperors and Hollywood stars. The Faraglioni rock formations and the Blue Grotto, where sunlight transforms the sea into an unbelievably brilliant shade of blue, are two of Capri's most stunning sights that are best experienced by boat. More breathtaking vistas may be found on land at the gardens of Augustus and Villa Jovis, which was once home to Roman Emperor Tiberius. On top of that, travelers can find upscale stores and eateries in the town center. Number 3. Tuscany. Tuscany farmland is one of the best destinations to visit in Europe because of its mixture of historical heritage, magnificent views, and beautiful countryside. Many say there is no other location on earth like the Tuscan countryside, and driving out of the towns and into some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world is unquestionably one of the best things to do in Italy. Tuscany is home to several of the top tourist destinations in Italy due to its hill towns' proximity to cities like Florence. You will find incredibly beautiful rolling hills here, as well as scenic highways where occasionally a wild hog or two may suddenly appear in view. You may also anticipate stunning sunflower fields, ancient olive groves, medieval ruins, and some of the world's most amazing wines here. Number 2. Rome. A great city to visit in Italy is the capital, which combines culture, romance, and jaw-dropping old architecture. Its historical significance as the capital of most of ancient Europe and its current status as one of the continent's most vibrant cities makes it hard to go through Italy without stopping at its fabled capital city. Rome is the world's best open-air museum because it is a truly amazing city with a history that spans over 200 years. Make sure to bring your camera since you'll be in awe of the architecture as you walk the streets. There are many places to see, but the Colosseum, the Vatican, St. Peter's Basilica, the Trevi Fountain, and the Pantheon are among the most well-known. But what else is there to do? Explore the quaint alleyways of Trastevere, unwind in the Borghese Gardens, and eat gelato. Sip morning cappuccinos in cafes, or window shop on the Via Veneto, and toss a penny into the Trevi Fountain to make a wish to come again. Number 1. Bologna. Bologna is a magnificent city renowned for its natural splendor, liberal politics, affluence, and, above all, its gastronomy. It is a very desirable destination since it is well known for its culinary prowess and cuisine, as well as for having the oldest university in Europe. The institution of Bologna, which is the oldest university in Europe, is located here. Due to its famed cuisine, which includes Italian classics like tortellini and lasagna topped with bolognese sauce, the city is also a foodie's paradise. The city also has a variety of medieval structures with terracotta roofs, including 2 leaning towers. Even when it's raining, you may still tour the city thanks to the abundance of arcades. The magnificent arcades provide shade from the sun and protection from the rain, and stores with authentic interiors from a century ago are located beneath them. You can explore the side streets until you find one of the many lovely squares where you can pause for a coffee or gelato and join many of the visitors who come to the city to sample its world-famous culinary treats. Italy is undoubtedly one of the best places to go in the world, and if you are preparing to go there, you have definitely made the right choice. What is your favorite location in Italy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends if you have enjoyed it. And do subscribe to our channel for more videos of other great travel destinations.